So welcome to the Earthling EDC channel. My name is Phil, and on this channel we talk about compact EDC gear and putting it into pouches and building out kits similar to this one. So this is my EDC kit. It's built into a converted shotgun shell pouch. So this is used to hold 10 rounds of shotgun. I took everything out of the inside and basically replaced it with a pocket rack, which is that plastic card that you see here. And you can also drop in other tools separately, like this. This is a knife. This is called the Duron from OKnife. This has a Nitro-V steel blade and it runs about 8 inches. We're going to talk about this one today. And then we've got in this clamshell mini pouch from Roaring Fire, we've got a very interesting blade from the Ukraine. This is a family-owned company called BPS Knives, and it's a pretty slick little knife. So this is, again, the knife from BPS Blades. We're going to talk about this one as well. Very nice flipper. And then over here, from Vosteed, which is a really interesting company, we've got this. This is the Corgi. It's got this little copper inlay here, and you can see it started to tarnish from all my wear. I've gone through probably a couple hundred cycles of playing with this thing. Very fidgety little knife. It's got a little release on here to drop the blade, which is very cool. So we're going to get into this one as well. So I hope you'll stick around. I think you're going to enjoy the show, and I'll see you in a bit. So what we have here is a genuinely excellent budget knife, especially considering you're supporting a great family operation based in Ukraine. The Colibri Black is an absolutely slicey demon thanks to the slim 14C28N blade and a lightweight 73-gram package, making it disappear into your pocket or take up little room in your EDC pouch. Social media feedback is overwhelmingly positive about this, the fit, finish, and tremendous value for the price. Many users note it comes razor sharp right out of the box and appreciate the robust liner lock. The main critique you see online is that the G10 handle scales can feel a little rough or aggressive for some. I did not have that experience with mine. A few purists wish it utilized a different pivot system than a standard flipper assembly, but overall, if you prioritize lightweight, reliable EDC from a unique source, the Colibri is a serious contender for you. Okay, some final thoughts on the Colibri here. This is a really nice little knife, very lightweight. I like the ergonomic design of the handle. It fits into my pocket really easily, very thin, narrow, and very sharp, extremely sharp, as you can see from my finger here, which took a hit from this. I mean, razor sharp. This thing was just by far out of the 3 knives, the sharpest one out of the box, and it's remained that way pretty much. I haven't really been slicing up boxes or anything major with it, but it's just like incredible how sharp this thing is. So overall, very nice. I like the whole idea that it's a family-owned business, and yeah, they did a nice job with this. Price point is, I think, about $53 now. Colibri. On to the next one. See you in a bit. OKnife's Duron is the biggest and arguably the most robust knife in this lineup, bringing an open length of 8 inches, featuring a Nitro-V steel blade. This is a great mid-range choice that balances edge retention and corrosion resistance. On social media, EDC enthusiasts who own this knife generally love the quality of the Nitro-V blade and the precise, satisfying action provided by these ceramic ball bearings. It deploys quickly and locks up tight with a solid frame lock, which is a mechanism that instills a lot of confidence. However, some online comments suggest the design is a bit safe or generic compared to Vosteed's more innovative approach with the Corgi. And while the frame lock is secure, some users simply prefer a lighter weight and convenience of crossbar or button lock for EDC. For those who want a larger, work-ready blade that still feels smooth and premium without breaking the bank, the Duron should be on your shortlist. So between the Nitro-V steel and the frame lock on here, this is a really complete package at the price point that they're offering this. The other thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the aluminum on here as well. So this is a proprietary aluminum that was developed by Olight for their flashlights, and they've started using on the OKnife knives like the Duron. It's a very, very strong aluminum. It emulates very closely to what you'd get out of titanium. They put an anodized finish on this, so it really resists scratching well. Very nice package here. So if you're considering a knife in this price range, this might be a perfect fit for you. So this is the Duron from OKnife. Vosteed Corgi is a knife that you buy when you want to add a serious dose of fidget factor to your rotation. Its centerpiece is the proprietary Trek Lock, a button lock mechanism that is incredibly satisfying to actuate, made even smoother by those caged ceramic ball bearings. This knife gets massive praise on social media platform for its fun drop shut action and the fantastic ergonomics of its micarta handle, with many calling it one of the best value button locks on the market. While the 14C28N steel is a proven performer, common negative feedback is centered on the pocket clip, which some users find too stiff or too large for such a compact knife. I found the clip to be a perfect size and stiffness for the weight of this knife, which came in as the heaviest in this group at 94 grams. A few viewers had noted a small amount of stickiness in the lock when it's brand new, but for me, that's worked itself out after several hundred deployments. So I love the Corgi. I don't think it's any problems at all with the clip, but some people think there is. But it's a really nice compact knife. At 93 grams, the weight is not too much. I like the the way they have this thing framed up too. You can see inside there. I don't know if you can see it, but they've left quite a bit of the internal frame intact and just kind of drilled out spots to reduce the weight, but it's got some substance to it, which is what I really like about this knife. I like the micarta scales on the outside, and as you can see right there, I've kind of I've been playing with this thing a lot. So it's yeah, it's got some wear on it. It's acted really nice. Nothing, no failures, nothing. It's getting smoother the longer I use it. But yeah, it's a very nice knife. So thank you for stopping by today. This was a fun video for me to put together. I just recently put together a list of the 50 most commonly used steels in pocket knives. It's on the earthling.com website, but there's a link in the description for this video as well if you'd like to take a look at it. The other thing I would really appreciate is, of these 3 knives, which ones do you like? Which one did you like the most? Why did you like it the most? I'm just very curious as to what people are looking for in their pocket knives. And yeah, I might actually build a video off of what you guys come up with. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. Anyway, thanks again. This was really fun for me to do. I hope you'll stop by again. Take care.